Hey everybody, happy Wednesday, happy 4th of July. Hope you all are having a good start to your holiday, and happy birthday America, right? So we are a hot, sweaty mess this morning. David and I and the kids have been out here in the garden for a couple of hours. We are done with our work, so we're gonna head in and get cleaned up here because it's getting warm. It's hot today, but we've had the boys out here picking beetles off the green beans, and we have been weeding and doing all kinds of stuff, and that's part of it. That's part of having a garden, is work and sweat and dirty fingers, but we love it, and it is therapeutic for sure. So I'm gonna let David give you a few points about our garden. I know several people have been asking, since it has just exploded this year, what some of our tips are. So hey everybody, good morning. I am gonna let him give you a few of his tips and give you a little sneak peek into our garden today. Just a second, David, let me figure out how to turn it around. Okay, there you are.
Well, good morning everybody, and happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, and I just pray you all are blessed today. And I just want to talk to you just for a couple minutes about the no-till garden method. I know several of you have asked me what we do, how it's done, and I think if you haven't seen it, go on Shannon's timeline and look at the pictures of 3 weeks ago. So we're heading into the 4th week, but this garden has exploded. And just for a second, Shannon, spin around here and show them our zucchini plant. I want you to see, this is one zucchini plant, and it's huge. The bottom leaves are
Stand up next to it. It's like half as tall as you are.
Yeah, I mean, you can see it. I'm going to come over here so you can really see zucchini plant. And this is just one plant. I've got more started.
As you can see in the background, that's our squash plant that took over the compost pile.
Yeah, that's back there. And then back here we have some God-given cantaloupe, and we have an abundance bumper crop of cantaloupe. So we didn't even plant. Those were just volunteers that came up, so we just let them go. We probably have 20, 30 cantaloupes, the sweetest things you'll ever taste, growing in there. But here's what I want to talk about. What we put in our bodies counts. What we put in our bodies matter. I truly believe in my heart of hearts that God gave our bodies the ability to prosper, to heal ourselves if we put the right stuff in. When you go to the store, all the produce looks amazing, but they spray it with all kinds of stuff and you don't know what. Even when you get those little starts at Walmart or wherever, they might say that they're organic. Well, they may or may not be. You really have to research and find out. That's why everything we do is directly from seeds. This is one of the seed providers we use, called seedsnow.com. It's all heirloom, non-GMO, and we direct seed everything directly into the garden. We don't do starts in the house and then you have to, and so we use direct seed. The other thing I want to talk about is how many of you go out and you see people drinking the 5-hour energy drinks and the Monsters and all that? Right here is what I drink every day.
Pretty refreshing
this morning. It's called Zing, and it's amazing, and it's natural. There's no chemicals in here. It's all from God's given plants, and it is so refreshing, especially on a day like today. And so I just want to give a plug to Young Living's Zing. It is awesome. It is awesome. Now, just look down here for just a second. This is just a few cucumbers we got this morning. We came out last night and harvested a bunch, and these are the ones we missed because it got dark on us. But from here on out, I just want to show you, that's cucumbers all the way down this panel. And then this is cucumbers all the way here in the middle. And then what you can't see is on the other side, and it's going on out into our field. And whatever grows out there, the chickens get to have as a treat.
You want to show them about your cattle panels and clipping up? You want to go to the tomatoes?
Well, I'll do cattle panels in another video. But you can see we don't use tomato cages or anything like that. We use cattle panels, and they work a lot better. And I will show you about how we do that and what we do with that. We found heirloom non-GMO corn out of Europe. I'm so excited about that. Sweet corn, so it's not filled with all the yuck contaminants that you get from Roundup corn from other, we won't even mention their name, Monsanto junk. And it's an amazing thing. And so if you have questions on how we do a no-till garden, email me your questions. I'm going to be doing more videos, start to finish kind of things, how-tos, what to do, what we've learned not to do. And it's always a process. And so don't be afraid to make a mistake. You will have some failures. We do. You will have to fight bugs and things like that because it is a natural non-chemical garden, and so there are things you can do from an organic perspective that's a non-chemical way to take care of your gardens without putting harsh chemicals on them. And I'll be glad to answer those questions. So whatever questions you have, just send me a message, and I'll just start taking some of those, and I'll do a video episode to answer those questions. And so God bless you. Here's to healthy eating. Here's to a healthy you. Enjoy your day. Love on your families, and God bless America. Bye-bye.
Okay, so there you have our garden sneak peek this morning, and hope you all enjoyed seeing what we're doing. We have worked hard. We are hot in a sweaty mess right now, so we're gonna head in and clean up, and then yes, Melody, I'm gonna be canning pickles all day long, all summer long. That's the fun part of it. It's work and it's hard, but it's worth it. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I was glad David hopped in today for Wellness Wednesday. You all have a wonderful 4th. Be well. Take care.